Ready to unlock a whole new level of creative flexibility by merging Photoshop's power with Illustrator's precision. First, let's open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. Choose your desired dimensions and other settings like color mode. It's best to match the color mode in Illustrator to your original Photoshop file. Next, go to File, then click on Place. Navigate to your Photoshop file PSD on your computer. Select the PSD file. Now, the crucial part, in the Place dialog box, you'll see options. Usually, the default is to link the PSD to the Illustrator file, but for the best editing experience, make sure Import Layers and Convert Layers to Objects are selected, and you can even select how the layers are flattened. This allows you to bring in all the layers and edit them. With the PSD file placed, you can now interact with its elements directly within Illustrator. For example, you can select that same text layer to edit it as if it were created right there in Illustrator. Remember, you can even vectorize raster images brought over from Photoshop using the Image Trace feature, transforming raster graphics into scalable vector illustrations. By seamlessly combining Photoshop and Illustrator, you've created a versatile design. Leveraging the strengths of both tools, now you can create stunning designs without being limited by either program. And that's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more design tips.